unbox my new tripod with me. Quit with my tripod. I finally got it. I think this is the first I'll be unboxing this year. So I'm unboxing without a tripod. So I don't think I need this thing. No. I don't know how to.
Can't be beat. Take a bow, take it in. This is where your joy begins. Spin around, feel the beat. It's your moment, can't be beat. Take a bow, take it in. This is where your joy begins. Happy birthday, you're a star.
So you can change the battery.
Here you are, dance and sing. It's all for you. The world's brighter 'cause of what you do.
Connect it to the phone. Use a selfie cam down. On it, after on it, you see the blue lights, just press the selfie cam. Just tap the PS here. Here now. So this tripod is 7 feet. You get me? 7 feet. I want to put my phone. So let me make the pouch. I bought pouch. Let me show you guys. I bought pouch for my phone too. Please, I'll put CC. Let's focus on this first. See, if you want to. You see, did I guys see it? It's safe and very, very, like, don't be scared. Guys, it's making sense. A lot of sense, in fact. I don't know, it's making sense. So let's do it. You guys remember, oh, this girl, I deserve that thing, that. Sounds to I eat and make video. But guys, let's learn how to turn it like this, do it like this. Okay, let's try. See, put this one down here. This one, put it down here, and you do like this. And you say, I want to do that. I can. I'm sorry. I think it's headshot video. It's making sense. A lot of sense in fact, but I don't think I've done it. Okay. You guys see the headshot view? Guys. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Comment, subscribe.